Hey, it's Josh here with Swift Home Mortgage, and I just wanted to bring you this week's Mortgage Minutes. So what we're talking about today is the Hometown Heroes program for Florida. The governor instituted this last year, and he's making a lot of money available, up to $25,000 or 5% of the total sale for our first responders, doctors, teachers, military, medical. There's like 12 pages of professions that are eligible for this program. Now, it's your regular down payment assistance. They're going to have a second mortgage, silent second mortgage with no interest that is due and payable at the time of their refinance or if they sell the property. So this is not a set it and forget it type program. It does follow them around, but for the right people in the right circumstances, it's going to be a home run. It really is a good product when it does fit. So see me for more details about it. We've got a whole lot of information around this program, and I would just give you a little bit of advice. Don't try to qualify your borrowers for this program by asking a bunch of questions. Turn them over to us, let them vet it completely, and let them understand exactly what we're looking for and if we can qualify them for that product. If we can get them some free money up front that they can use towards the goal of homeownership, it's going to be a big win for a lot of people. Second thing we'll talk about is loan level pricing adjustments, LLPAs. So Fannie Mae just came out with a bulletin talking about their LLPAs changing in May. Now, what is an LLPA? Loan level pricing adjustment. What that means is you start with a base rate for the price of a mortgage, and then you start adding or subtracting your loan level pricing adjustments as you go forward. Some common ones are going to be FICO driven. So you have different FICO bands starting down at like 620. Every 20 points you have a FICO band saying if you're 620 to 640, we're going to adjust your rate negatively by this much. And as your credit gets better, that adjustment gets lower. So as always, the better the credit, the better the adjustments. Now, some other things are going to be debt to income ratio. They're zeroing in over 40% now. So if you have a back end ratio of over 40%, back end being your total debt ratio, all of your credit debts plus your housing debt, if you're exceeding 40%, you're going to start getting a hit for that. Other things are going to be like occupancy status, owner occupied second home, investment property, property type, single family home, condo, high rise condo, 2 to 4 unit, things of that nature. So there's a whole huge list of loan level pricing adjustments, and they've been here forever. They're just making a lot of changes to them over at Fannie Mae, and they're going to be a lot more aggressive than they used to be. We're even seeing some stuff report on getting benefits of a 780 credit score, whereas in the past, a 760 and above was it. If you had a 760, it doesn't matter. If you had an 850, you're getting the same pricing and perks on the 760 and many times even 740s. But now they're going after those better borrowers, rewarding higher credit and better discipline in the credit world. So LLPAs is a confusing topic. There's a lot of stuff going around there that you really need to pay attention to and understand what your loan officer is presenting. So my advice, same as always, work with loan officers who understand what LLPAs are and what pricing adjustments can do to a deal. Your 20% down standard conventional loan might no longer make as much sense as it used to when these pricing adjustments kick in. So let us look at all the options, maybe 10% down, 15% down, upfront mortgage insurance. There's all kinds of stuff we can look at to see if we can help you get a better deal for the long term if that's the goal. It's always about the goals and the planning. Let's help dial that in and get it working right. Finally, we're throwing another big barbecue. Valentine's Day, spread the love. Swift Home Mortgage, it's our second annual. We love to feed people. We want to feed you. So if you want to come by our office from about 11 to 2 on Tuesday the 14th, we're going to be having a big outdoor parking lot party. Tables, chairs, get it to go, dine in, whatever you like. Pulled pork, tacos, sandwiches, green beans, baked beans, collard greens, all kinds of stuff, the works. We want to feed you. Spread the love. Hope to see you soon. Hope you're doing well. Call me if you need me. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.